Our mission at Diversey is to protect and care for people every day. My name is Kerry Hughes and I'm leading our infection prevention team. And our aim is to wipe out COVID-19. Our challenge is to make cleaning accessible to everyone, so we all feel protected and safe. But how can we do this? Whether you're a guest, resident, student, or part of a cleaning team, we all want to feel like our own safety is within our control and that we are protecting those of the people that we know and love. Oxivir wipes kill coronavirus in 30 seconds. They are safe to use and kind to surfaces. Using Oxivir in a wipe format means anyone can disinfect at any time and anywhere. The pandemic is affecting everyone, and it's really important that we try to stop the spread of infection through washing our hands, keeping a safe distance from others, and cleaning surfaces with an effective product like Oxivir Excel Wipes. With all the products that are available on the market, how do you know that your chosen product is effective? What do you look for in a disinfectant, and how safe is it to use? These are the types of questions that our experts answer daily for our customers.